up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we are here at the Getaway cabin. We have cabin bed in like Asheboro. In Asheboro, North Carolina. It's about an hour away from Charlotte. I think it's like an hour from Raleigh. Here's Dee. Dee's with us today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys inside so you guys can see what the inside is like. So right outside we have like some chairs, a little fire pit area. There's 2 chairs, and we burnt the fire last night, obviously. And there's also a little picnic table over here if you want to sit and watch the wildlife.
Hello.
So obviously we got McDonald's in here, but to the right we have a bathroom. Nice. So the door just came in directly to the right, and then the rest is just the cabin, you guys. Have our sink here. Got some plates, cups, bowls, cooking stuff. Looks like it's probably some salt and pepper back there. Forks, spoons, knife. Stove with 2 eyes. A mini fridge. Have some books up here and a radio. And then we just have the bed, sleeping area. I love that it's a nice big window, but there's also curtains to, you know, close the window just in case you won't feel like anybody looking at you. And it came with these, I think the popcorn is complimentary. It was just sitting on the table when we came in. And we got a s'mores kit and a nice letter. Deontay, welcome to Getaway. There's a cell phone lockbox, and then they also have this cute little lamp to take out, I guess, if we ever go outside. Probably will go outside and light up that fire pit down there, and maybe we'll roast some marshmallows. And what's for dinner tonight?
Tonight, we're gonna have some ribeye steak, some nice broccoli, and some shucked up potatoes.
Chef's potatoes.
Yes,
period.
sir. Oh. You can't just.
Avocado oil.
Yes, it's healthy for you.
What about olive oil?
I prefer avocado oil because it's healthier. You know, I may be big, I may be a big boy, but I like my healthy things. You know what I'm saying? I like my healthy things. Now, before you put any seasoning or anything on it, what you want to do is you want to get some butter.
Butter?
Some butter. And just go ahead and cut up a few pieces and put it in there. Before you do anything.
Before you do anything. Okay.
So we can get this butter, and we're about to shape it up.
We're about to try to make us a little fire on the grill. You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Huh?
Yeah.
Looks like it. So the firewood, and there's like a pack, like a fire starter kit in here.
Kind of hurt by the chicken wings last night.
Chicken wings, it was good. Oh, the burnt parts.
The burnt part.
Yeah, some of the chicken got burned up last night.
It's crazy is at first they didn't want to start cooking, you know, the fire was low. Next you know, we adjusted a little bit, it was overcooked. Try to put a little sauce on it, you know, to make it taste better. But once you get that burnt taste, you cannot.
It's hard to hide. Can't hide it. So let me know if I missed anything. I'm pretty sure I covered most things, but guys just let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to know about our stay here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.